Hi, I'm Dustin, owner of Generational Garage Doors, and I received a request from Zay8423 to do a what's in my bag video. Let's get to it. Good enough. Okay, so most important thing, lube. 3-in-1 garage door lube. They don't sponsor me, but I really like their product, so I use it. Start with everything on the outside. Long winding bars, 1/2 inch. They come in 3 foot. I just cut it in half. Winding heavier springs. Pry bar, lumber jobs, pulling nails, whatever. Pry bar. Up front, wood chisels. I use them to level out my door on the sides or chisel wood. In a real bad situation, you could use them to chisel concrete, but try not to do that. Also have 45-degree impact extension for those really hard to reach bolts. And the Stud Buddy stud finder, just magnetic. I don't really trust the electrical stuff, so it's worked all these years. You've got safety glasses for when safety squints just aren't enough. 25-foot tape measure. They make tape measures with the numbers. Not good at measurements? Get it. Doesn't hurt. Don't let your pride hurt your feelings. Alright, in the back. 21-ounce hammer. Brand is Hart. Don't really care. Just need a hammer. Stapler. Everything I have, for the most part, is DeWalt. But this one does everything. Flat staples, curled staples. It even does nails, but I just use it for staples.
Look in the bag.
Yeah. Speed square for nice even cuts with framing. Got one-piece hardware, just all the square bolts. So got these multi-point sockets and random Torx bits and Allen keys that I've run into in the field. This is just miscellaneous stuff that I don't use daily. So always have it available so I'm not stuck. And last but not least, chalk line to make all my work look professional. So that's the back. All right, into the main compartment where all the good stuff is. We've got our staples. T25 Aero brand doesn't matter, but I do like the T25. Got electrical wire or electrical tape for all of our electrical wire needs. Wire strippers for stripping wire. They are cable cutters. To me, they're cable cutters. I don't know their exact name, but cable cutters. All right, this is a nice little pocket full of pockets for all the random bits and things like that I use. Hangs off the side of my ladder, but we have our set screw, 7/16 with a multi-point. Works great. Got 9/16 ratcheting wrench, 1/2" ratcheting. We've also got a fixed 1/2" and a ratcheting 7/16. Also have impact extension. Got Phillips head screwdriver bit. Everything is made to go with the impact. 7/16 magnetic extension. Got our 3/8 magnetic extension. The yellow, what is that? 5/16 magnetic extension. A little tiny one. Yeah. For $1/4. Magnetic with the extension. Got 1/2" with impact extension, 7/16 impact extension, 9/16 impact extension. That's it for the sockets. And here we've got our step bits for when we need to make holes that aren't there. And other than that, it's just extra, just in case they break or anything, magnetic bits. Of course, we need the impact that does most of the work. It's a little beat up, but it does great. It doesn't stop, it keeps on going. Duct tape, because it fixes everything. Little tool of the trade is a spring cone end for when you have crash doors and stuff like that. Throw it on the side and tighten that down. You can back wind the springs or make it easier to add tension to them and see how heavy the door is. Just gotta have that on hand. Got aviation snips, I guess. Snub nose, cutting punched angle iron or whatever metal I need. Yeah. Can never have enough vice grips. I've got 2 smalls and 2 bigs. And everything. Holding panels in place, bending metal, holding torsion tubes. Vice grips, they're great. 1 flathead and 1 Phillips head screwdriver. Little cat's claw, pulling out small nails, 1-piece hardware that's stuck in the jams and stuff like that. Got my original American flag level that I got when I first started almost 8 years ago, and can't let it go, beat up as it is. Got a newer one that just sits in here and looks pretty. I almost never use it, but I have it for when that one finally goes out. Cold steel chisel for when you really want that concrete to get out of your way. And then if you're changing springs, we have a spring ruler. So it tells you, gives you a length, but only up to 10 inches. That's what the tape measures for, but it helps you do your wire sizes so you know exactly what to install on those weird doors you run into. Razor, old drywall cutter. Stuff's in the way, cut it out of the way. A well-used file. Burrs, nicks, whatever happens, file it down. Everything's got to be smooth. And then every single job, no matter what, winding bars. From yellows all the way up to blues. These will do it. It just depends on how hard you want to work. And last but not least, a pencil. Home Depot brand pencil. Always there. That's it. That is the bag that comes with me with every single job, no matter what. No matter what I'm going for, all this comes to that customer's home.